How to operate a coffee maker. First of all, we need to explain what it means to brew coffee. Boiling, putting something in water and bringing it to the boil over a fire. But the boiling of coffee is the process of washing the flavors out of the coffee with water at 92 to 96 degrees. This is why many people misunderstand this word. If you really put the coffee into the water to boil it, the drink you get will no longer be a cup of coffee, but a cup of burnt, bitter water, because the temperature of the water has reached 96 degrees or more. The temperature of 96 degrees or more can destroy the oil in the coffee. The taste is pungent and astringent. 1. The coarseness of the coffee grind is determined by the coffee equipment you choose. Because different coffee making methods require different grindings. 2. Use 92 to 96 degree water. 3. Different methods require different brewing times.